In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image into an AutoCAD drawing file. Whether you're working on a new design project and want to trace elements from an image, or you simply want to turn a photo into a usable CAD drawing, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to a website called Convertio.co. It's an online conversion tool that makes this process super easy and fast. Once you're on the site, click on the big red Choose Files button. Over here, you can upload your image file, whether it's a JPEG, PNG, or even a BMP. Convertio supports them all. After that, look for the drop-down menu labeled To and select DXF, that's the AutoCAD drawing format. Make sure to double-check that before hitting Convert, so you don't accidentally pick the wrong file type. Then click the Convert button and wait a few seconds while the tool processes your file. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your image, this might take a moment, so be patient. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a download button appear. Click on it to save your new DXF file to your computer. Now it's time to bring your converted file into AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD on your computer, go to File and select Open. From here, find and open the DXF file you just downloaded. And just like that, your image is now an editable AutoCAD drawing. Isn't that cool? To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Always try to use clear, high-quality images with good contrast. Avoid blurry or overly complex photos. AutoCAD works best when the conversion tool has clean lines to trace. And if possible, start with vectorized artwork since it converts more accurately and saves you cleanup time later. Once your file is open in AutoCAD, you can edit, scale, and adjust it just like any other drawing. You might need to tidy up a few lines or remove some extra points depending on how detailed your image was, but overall, the results are surprisingly good. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert almost any image into a usable AutoCAD drawing file easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier too?